Unboxing the Mabbett rear roof spoiler. Opening it up. Nicely packaged here. I like the foam inserts. Got instructions. Looks like we got a spoiler, foam padding, and some adhesion promoter. Put that in there. Adhesion promoter. It's good stuff. I like the foam pads on here from rolling around. It's a little windy out here. It's like plastic with some foam to protect it too. Oh, at first glance looks nice. Like the flat black look. Kind of a nice little profile there. And you got your double-sided tape all around. Nicely finished. So, as it compares to the Air Design, this is the Air Design rear bed spoiler. Looks pretty much the same. So similar, you know, this is obviously it isn't on yet, but similar finish, you know, and there you have it. Just match it up here. Foam padding. Stick the foam pad. I like to wipe everything off with alcohol. Wipe that real quick. Do is a final wipe down here, alcohol, any of the surfaces is gonna adhere to, and to get all the excess dirt, paint, grime, waxes. Just freshly washed the car. This is just gonna be one final thing here. So, take your adhesion promoter and open that up. Little packet here. Gonna wipe wherever that red line is gonna hit. All around here. All around the outside edge where that line from the tape is gonna hit. Fold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tapes. So we're gonna lightly line this up. Line this up down here. Pull the tape. Pull this tape. Push. Pull this tape. Push. 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 Pull that. Pull that. So as you can see, it lines up with this, the lip. There's a lip here. Goes on there. And there we have it. The Mabbett truck cap spoiler.